Good day everyone, my name is Prince Ibanyas from PCTD to YouTube, and so this is the Museum of Iloilo. So let's get inside in the Museum of Iloilo, and they're working there, the nicest place here at, so let's get inside. So before we enter, we have to pay the entrance fee and then their protocols before we get in. So let's go. So as we can see, this is the paintings of the Museo Iloilo. That is, we can see there are the people there in the paintings with their families, and the baby has a mother. And this is very bright and colorful paintings with a loving each other, the families, and the other are this is the fish and any coins that they're painting. So let's move around. So let's move to the other one. There are the bones and the faces of the old, and this is the documentary about the bones and skeleton that they transferred into the boxes and preserve it in for museum. So this is the dresses that in the sinauna, and so here the light and elegant Filipino barongs. So this is what they call the Filipino barongs, and lately these are the armas of the soldiers that they're using. So this is the liberation of their communications. There are the radio that they really call the free panay calling, and their helmets, their katanas, the Japanese katana. So this is the description of Japanese katana, the missiles of they're using while in the wars. So this is the rifles. So let's move. Okay, so let's move to the rebultos of Iloilo. So this is the old rebultos that they keep in museum. It's an 18th century relief with a carving by the god. So this is the other rebultos, and let's move forward.